Hi guys, it's 1800 plus number of students who enrolled with Shrestha subscription model during 2022. I'm very thankful to each and everyone who have spread a very good positive talk about our CA into subscription model. Absolutely 800 plus number of students. I'll show you the proof. Everyone knows, majority of you know that we have registered our application on Class Plus platform. It's one of the edutech platform which is very popular in India, who provides extremely very good service. So these are the number of admissions that we have taken for subscription model. Just show you the filter also. I only have selected 3 courses: group 1 subscription model, both the group subscription model, and group 2, and nothing else has been selected. And the total number of purchases from students are 3,470. Like, I'm saying 1800 plus number of students, whereas the application shows, the backend portal shows 3,470. What's exactly the difference? Like, some students, like 1800 students were there, right? Out of them, at least more than 1400 students have purchased it second time. Getting it? I think not 1400, maybe 1000 students would have purchased for second time. Third month free coupon is also available. So altogether, it is close to 3,500 only during the past 11 months. We have published the subscription course at the beginning of this year with revised lectures. Old subscription course up to 31st December we didn't take into account. Literally, from the date we launched subscription model till date, roughly I can say 18 months approximately. Within these 18 months, the actual count will be more than 2,500. I'm only talking about 2022. The total number of students enrolled under Shrestha subscription model is 1800 plus. What is the reason behind the success? Have we made any telecalling? Have we made any web marketing? Have we made any, direct bulk SMS? Nothing. We did nothing. We only give quality output. We only give, proper comprehensive content. Most of the students who take subscription with us renew for the second time and third time, and even some students have gone through fourth and fifth time as well. Many students who enroll with us, especially students from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, almost entire South India, for us, literally Tamil Nadu students stood as a backbone. Out of this 1800, I can concretely say more than 900 students are from Tamil Nadu. More than 900 students, more than 50% admissions first register are from Tamil Nadu. I'm really, really thankful to all of them. In fact, because of these students who spread a very positive outlook, a positive talk, many Keralites and many Kannadigas are taking admissions from us. And truly, Shrestha Institute is emerging a pan-India institute. Like we recently have seen this word pan-India, especially in movies. Not only in that, even in the coaching institutions, the word is very much apt for it. Okay. Fine. So thank you very much. Thank you very much to each and every one. And by the way, we are having those who are not aware of subscription model. It is like a monthly model, like where you pay one time, the fee, where the course is valid for 31 days. Within that 1 month, you will get entire group 1. Suppose if you are taking group 1 subscription, you'll get entire group 1, all the 4 subjects, entire 100% content, updated content. Getting it? So 31 days validity. If you buy second time the same group, you'll get third time at free of cost. Ideally, 3 months is the time that is required for finishing one group proper full-fledged coaching. And remember, all this we achieved only purely based on sheer mouth publicity. We did not adopt any sort of direct marketing or indirect marketing. We only did through YouTube videos. Like we upload videos, we upload classes on YouTube. By looking at those classes, voluntarily many students have joined. I'll tell you one more best example. I'll give you one more. There are so many students, right, who are watching this subscription course. Majority of them have availed first time. Second time they didn't purchase. We don't even make a call to them and ask why you didn't purchase. Getting it? See, it's not that I am very overconfident or not. No, it's not like that. Students are very much aware. They know when to buy, when not to buy. Getting it? Because many students who buy subscription course, some of them will have the object of covering 2 subjects in a single month. So even if I call them, that is what they're going to say. The response that we get is, sir, I purchased for 1 subject or 2 subjects with 1 month validity. Yeah, my purpose is fulfilled, so I didn't renew. Remember, 70% of the students who enroll subscription model first time, they come for second month and third month for sure. So this is the rate at which we are retaining the students. Out of 1800, I can confidently say 1200 plus students have enrolled for second time. And you know what? Majority of them have not claimed for third month coupon. They didn't claim third month coupon. Now some students, very recently I'm receiving messages from students, sir, can I use the coupon even after 2 months? You can. We are giving you coupon which is valid for lifetime as long as we continue the subscription model. That many number of months, that many number of years, that coupon is valid. So you can use the coupon even after 1 year. We don't have any restriction. If you buy first time somewhere in the last year and buy second time this year, third month coupon we will give you, third coupon, free coupon. You can use it even in the next year. We don't have any limits on it. So that kind of flexibility we give. Still majority of the students are just keeping the coupon idle. Maybe, I don't know, maybe next time they want to help their friend or not, I don't know exactly what. So but finally what I want to conclude is, really, if at all we give a quality content, the student fraternity honestly supports and spread a very positive talk, and due to which this kind of success is possible. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. And by December end, I'll make this. I am sure that students are going to make this number 2000 plus. And next year, 2023 is going to be a benchmark year for Shrestha. Why? Because until date, we are in a growing stage. Getting it? 2023 is our real potential, because that is a year where we are going to test our real potential. We are going to launch CMA Inter subscription model. We are going to launch CA final subscription model as well. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Thank you.